I was on a certain police platform a couple of years ago, and I criticized Madam Tiwa on how she was handling the Takoradi girls issue, the missing girls, and also some other things related to the investigation. Adam Bona was on the same platform, and he was one of the persons that came against me seriously because Madam Tiwa was also on that same police platform. They all came against me, and Adam Bona was the leader. That I was attacking Madam Tiwa because of Namwan's issues that she was involved in. Today I am glad that all these naysayers are rallying behind me, having seen that Madam Tiwa was a square peg in a round hole. Takoradi girls issue, the missing girls, oh, we have found them and we will return them to their families. A few weeks later, she comes out to say, oh, yes, we have actually found them, but it's their bones that we have found. My brother, my sister, families up till now do not understand. Did they go into the forensics to be able to tell specifically that these truly were the bones of the Takoradi girls who got missing? How did they get killed? Did the investigations just end there? By finding some bones, all questions have been answered about this. Madam Tiwa is now the boss of Iyoko. Does she have the competence? What is her training all about? My brother, my sister, at the end of the day, does she have the requisite training for investigations? My brother, my sister, today we all seem to be speaking the same language. As for Godfred Dame, he is a walking disgrace to the legal system and the justice system in this country. Now, the tape that came out, allegedly containing his voice, if he was such a serious legal person, he will step aside and say, listen, I am a clean gun. I am as clean as the whistle. For that matter, I step aside like Abner Dapa did. Much as I do not respect this tape that has come out, I want to step aside so investigations can be done so cleanly. But no, the dirty guy is still in power. Sitting down there, my brother, my sister, throwing innuendos, my brother, my sister, and speaking big legal English with nothing to show. This country has become a comic nation with a president who is supposed to be a lawyer who has no respect for the legal system. A president lawyer, my brother, my sister, in his days of jurisdiction, the law has truly become an ass that is running into a hole. In fact, running into an asshole. I am shocked, my brother, my sister, to the very bottom of my nucleus. My brother, my sister, an attorney general has been caught on tape, allegedly, spewing rubbish and foolishness, trying to come together with an accused person, collaborate to visit an individual with harm and the whole nation with falsity. The guy is still walking around holding his position as the Attorney General. Does this tell us that we are a serious nation? It tells us that we are a comic nation that jokes with almost everything. My brother, my sister, we are in a circus. This is not a nation. It is a circus. I am so hurt. My brother, my sister, I've spoken to a number of police people, and they all don't have any confidence in Madam Tiwa. Many believe that she rose to this position because of a political leanings. We all remember the A+ issue, how she came forward to beg A+. In fact, and when this tape came out, It shocked the whole nation. She is still on the case of A+. The last time that I checked, she was fingered in another dirty issue concerning A+. And I called A+ personally to find out if what I was reading was true. And he told me it was true. What was this issue about? It was about a minister who was supposed to be investigated. And Madam Tiwa allegedly came in to try and stop that investigation by talking to A+ to back down. An investigator who begs people to run away from investigation. This one too, is that an investigator? A lawyer who is scared to go to court, is that one to a lawyer? A doctor who is scared of the hospital, is that one to a doctor? Eh? A juju man who is scared of black pots, is this one to a juju man? My brother, we need to take our nation serious. Jokers are in power. Thieves are in power. My brother, people who are not anywhere near loyal to the nation are in power. They are those who are bleeding the nation. They belong to secret cults and organizations, my brother, my sister, that protect them, my brother, my sister, against the common good of the ordinary Ghanaian. It's a shame. Where has loyalty gone to? Where has patriotism gone to? I look at these things and every single minute I lose courage and I lose confidence in my own country, Ghana. Who are these dirty people in power? Who have reduced the nation to nothingness in these times? Well, Adam Bonan has spoken, and I'm glad. He's speaking the same language I spoke a couple of years ago that he came boldly to fight me about. I leave it here.